Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's September 12th, 2018, and I'm up in the second food forest area. So I'm up in the area where we planted all the blue Hubbard squash and the blue potatoes. And the blue Hubbards have done pretty well despite having a severe drought this year. And I did have to water them 4 times. I've been checking on them this last week. I noticed some rodents had starting to chew through the outer skin of one of the blue Hubbards. And today I discovered several of them that they've been eating through, so I decided to harvest them today. This is September 12th. I'd really like to have them on the vine for 1 more week, then cut them off the vine, let them cure outside for a good week in the nice warm weather. But it is going to be cold after next week. So what I'm going to do is transport them down into either the Harbor Freight greenhouse or put them out on one of the weed mats out in the garden that has fencing around it. But that isn't going to keep the small rodents from going after it. So I may put them right in the Harbor Freight. So that's the update on the blue Hubbards. We did eat our Georgia sweet candy roaster squash. We ate one of those, and my gosh, they are to die for. They're really, really sweet and nice. So we're going to save seeds for them, from them, for next season, and hopefully we'll luck out with the blue Hubbards. We like them as well. Both of these squash are both heirlooms. The Georgia sweet candy roaster squash and the blue Hubbard squash. They're both heirlooms, and they both have really nice storage life. So as long as we cure them properly, keep them on the vine long enough, then we can have them without doing a whole bunch of processing. The ones that got chewed on, we're going to have to do some processing. I will put a link in the upper right hand corner to one of the videos when I was pruning back the vines to encourage them to throw more energy into the squash themselves. But I don't know that that did a heck of a lot because it's only been a week since then. So if you found this video interesting, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, ask any questions, leave any comments. I always like getting the interaction from the community. It's really good. We got a small community, but we've got some really interested participants, so that makes life really interesting for me anyways. So certainly folks, hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when we post more videos, and have a super fantastic day. Bye-bye now.